Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we have one very interesting question from radical mathematics. We have to simplify 4th root of 32 plus 48 times cube root of minus 3 plus 5 times square root of 6 over 5 plus 2 over square root 5. So let's get started by considering given expression equal to e first. Now we will simplify from the innermost radical. Including this 5, I will consider this is x. Let's simplify x separately. X is 5 times the square root of 6 over 5 plus 2 over square root 5, which we can write 5 as square root 25. Then we have square root of 6 over 5 plus 2 over square root 5. Now square root a times square root b. This is equal to square root ab. So we can write here square root of 6 times 25 over 5 plus 2 times 25 over square root 5. Now we can cancel 25 with denominator 5, so it will become 5. We will write square root of 6 times 5 is 30 plus, let's rationalize denominator here. So we will multiply with root 5 in the numerator and denominator. This will give us 5. We can cancel this 5 with numerator 25. So here we can write 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 square root 5. This is our x. Now we will simplify this x. Let's simplify. X is equal to square root of 30 plus 10 square root 5. So I can split 30 as 25 plus 5. Then we have 10 square root 5. Can we write 25 as 5 square? 5 as root 5 square? And this 10 root 5 we can write 2 times 5 times root 5, which is 10 root 5. So here a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, which we can write a plus b whole square. So I can write in the radicand, this is 5 plus square root 5 whole square. Now this is square root and square will be over. We will get x 5 plus square root 5. Let's put the value of x in our expression e. So I can write e will be equal to, here it is. So I will write here 5 plus square root 5. So it is 4th root of 32 plus 48 times cube root of minus 3 plus 5 plus square root 5. Now minus 3 plus 5 is 2. We can write 4th root of 32 plus 48 times cube root of square root 5 plus 2. Now I will consider this cube root equal to y. So I can write y equal to cube root of square root 5 plus 2. Consider cubing both sides. We will get y cube equal to cube root and cube will be over square root 5 plus 2. Now I will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. So I need to multiply both sides by 8. So I will write 8y cube equal to 8 times square root 5 plus 2, which we can write 8y cube equal to 8 root 5 plus 16. 8y cube equal to 8 square root 5 plus 16. So 8 we can write this is 2 cube y cube. Now 8 root 5 will split as 5 square root 5 plus 3 square root 5, and 16 we will split 1 plus 15. Now I can write 5 root 5 as it is plus 1, then plus 15, then plus 3 square root 5. So 5 root 5 we can write this is square root 5 whole cube. 1 we can write 1 whole cube. 15 we can write 3 times square root 5 whole square times 1. And 3 square root 5 we can write 3 times square root 5 times 1 square. So this is replicating one algebraic identity. If I will consider a equal to square root 5 and b 1, then this is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So in this place we can write a plus b whole cube. So our LHS is 2y whole cube. RHS is square root 5 plus 1 whole cube. Now we will take cube root both sides. For the real value of y, we will get 2y equal to square root 5 plus 1. After dividing by 2, we will get square root 5 plus 1 over 2. This is our cube root. Up to this cube root, we have square root 5 plus 1 over 2. So I can write expression equal to fourth root of 32 plus 48 times square root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now I will cancel this denominator 2 and this 48, so it will be 24. We can write fourth root of 32 plus 24 times square root 5 plus 1. Let's simplify. We will write fourth root of 32 plus 24 square root 5 plus 24. So 32 plus 24 is 56. Then we will write 24 square root 5. Now we have to find this fourth root. So I can split 56 first. I will write fourth root of 56 can be written as 36 plus 20. This is 56 plus 24 square root 5. Now 36 can be written as 6 square. And 20 we can write 2 square root 5 whole square. So 2 square is 4. Square root square is 5. So 4 times 5 will be 20 plus 24 square root 5. So again this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We can see, let me write here, fourth root of 6 square plus 2 square root 5 whole square plus 2 times 6 times 2 root 5. This is 24 root 5. So a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. We can write a plus b whole square. So we will write fourth root of 6 plus 2 square root 5 whole square. Now whole square will get over with fourth root. It will be square root left. So we can write 6 plus 2 root 5 within the square root. Now I can see I can write 6 as 5 plus 1. Then we have 2 square root 5. Now 5 we can write square root 5 square. This is 5 plus 1 square. Then we can write 2 times square root 5 times 1. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So again we can write this is square root 5 plus 1 whole square. So square root and square will be over. We will get our expression value square root 5 plus 1. This is our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.